Most people waste 30 minutes at the gym and burn nothing. I'll show you how to torch fat in 3 minutes flat. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. If you can handle it, let's go. Round 1, jumping jacks. 30 seconds, full send, arms all the way up, feet wide, core locked in. This isn't a warm-up, this is the workout. Feel that heart rate climbing? That's your body switching into fat burn mode. Don't you dare slow down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Round 2, high knees, knees up, higher. Don't jog, I said run. Pump those arms, chest up, eyes forward. Every rep is melting calories in real time. You think this is hard? Good. Hard is where change lives. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, push. Round 3, squat to reach, drop low, explode up, reach like you're grabbing something on fire. Down, up, reach. Down, up, reach. Your legs are screaming? Perfect. That's your metabolism waking up. Most people quit right here. You're not most people. Keep moving. Round 4, mountain climbers. Hit the floor, plank. Now, drive those knees in, fast, faster. Core, tight, back flat, no sagging. This is the move that shreds your core and burns belly fat simultaneously. You're almost there. Don't you quit on me. Push through. Final blast. Last 45 seconds. This is where results are made. 20 seconds jumping jacks, all out. 10 seconds catch your breath. 15 seconds high knees, finish like a champion. Go, go, go. This moment right here, this is what separates people who transform from people who just watch videos. If you made it, drop done in the comments. I read every single one. Follow for a new fat-burning workout every day. Your future body is being built right now